I'll sleep under the bloody ground before I help you, pig.
Kreile stoep. Huh? O si kreile na? No. Because you stopped looking.
Okay, watch your tone.
I'm sorry. But even if utlokofetsi, I think he still does deserve a proper burial.
Okay, what's done? Mamelane. I know gore batla dikarabo, but mohlomong dikarabo ga di teng. You can't waste your life chasing shadows. Hey, come on, please, just let it go.
Engikudingayo nje kuphela abantu abazowamashisa lama products. Ibusiness ensiwe impo futhi.
Jonga detective. Usebenze kakuhle. Kodwa I'll take it from here. Let's keep.
Juneda angeke asidonsele kule nto yakhe namaphoyisa. Into eyiningi kodwa akayena umdayisi.
I called in some favors. I might have a lead on Othandebo Misho later on today.
I
know, dude. She could be the key to solving this whole damn thing. Listen carefully. The Khatas are threatening me. You need to use that pretty little head of yours and make a plan. If you can't, get dirty on it.
Okay.
There. It's done.
Yini le ubani wena?